This is exercise number 10. Length of the part is 120 mm. Width is 40 plus 10 plus 10. How? Let us here. Width is 15 plus 30, 45. 45 plus 15, 60 mm. Next, total height of the part is 25 plus 25. Total height is 50 mm. First we have to draw one rectangle in the front plane and do the dimension as 120 into height 25 and extrude the width of 15 plus 30 plus 15. Let's see how to do this. Select part file and select OK. Select a sketch, select rectangle, draw one rectangle, make dimension, length is 140 mm, 120 mm, okay. Next, height is 25 mm, height is 25. We have to bring this origin point exactly the center of this rectangle. So select origin point followed by vertical line of the one side of the rectangle. Total length is 120. So half of 120 divided by 2 is 60 mm. Isometric view, extruded boss base, mid plane, 15 plus 30 plus 15, 15 plus 30 plus 15. Select OK. Now select right plane, right view, sketch, draw one rectangle on this base, rectangle from top left corner to the top right corner, draw one rectangle and draw one more rectangle like this. We have drawn one more rectangle. Height is 25 and width is 60. Dimension, height is 25, width is 60. Okay. Next, do the dimension for the inside rectangle. Height is 15, length is 30. 30, height is 15. Distance from this line to this line, it is 15 mm. The 15. This 15 mm, 30 mm, 15 and 30. Now select sketch trim. We have to trim this line. We need only this geometrical shape. Select isometric view, extruded boss base. We have to extrude a length of 60 mm. Select instead of blind, select mid plane, select OK. Now see here, it is one slot here of diameter 15 and distance from right edge to the circle is 15 mm and it is exactly center to this width. Select top face, top view, sketch, take center line command. From origin point, draw one center line, take circle command, from this line as a center, draw one circle, make diameter of the circle is 15 mm, enter 15, distance from circle to this edge is 15 mm. Now select isometric view, extruded cut, select through all, select OK. Now select right plane, take mirror command, features to mirror, select this slot, okay, select OK. The same feature has been mirrored. Now one more, see here it has mentioned 45 degrees, okay. So we have to do chamfer, chamfering, and he has given one length on the side dash 40 mm. Here total width is 60 minus 40 is 20 mm. So on the both the sides it will be 20 divided by 2 means 10 mm. 10 mm from here to here, 10 mm from here to here. So how to do chamfering? Select chamfer, 10 mm, angle he has mentioned as 45 degrees, so default it will be 45 degrees. Select the edges, select edge, one edge, second edge, this third edge, and rotate the part using the arrow keys or using mouse. Scroll button will long press and move, drag it and move, it will rotate. Select one more edge, isometric view, see 1 2 3 4 edges has been selected. Now select OK. So this is your 10th exercise.